Even though Belgium didn't come out with an exit strategy today, we did get a Europe-wide exit strategy from the European Commission. Now, this strategy had been ready last week, but Spain, France, and Italy asked the Commission to delay publication until after Easter. They were worried people would get the wrong idea, and as soon as they heard about plans for exits, they would think it was okay to go visit friends and family for the Easter weekend. Now, this guidance is an effort by the European Commission to try to get a handle on what all of the different 26 EU member states are doing. They want to avoid a repeat of the chaotic and uncoordinated imposition of these lockdowns that we saw last month, which saw big problems in terms of goods being able to cross borders. And so they wanted to come out with this strategy. And actually, it's the national governments themselves that requested the Commission to come out with this. But because it's had so much delay, because the member states asked for it to be delayed, we've had six countries now at least come out with national exit strategies that are not coordinated. So we'll see if the countries going ahead in the next couple of days are going to heed the Commission's advice. Now, this is only guidance. It's up to individual countries what they'll do. But the Commission is saying that exits from lockdown should come gradually in stages, and they shouldn't start at all until three criteria are met: whether there's been a sustained decrease in cases, whether there's enough capacity in hospitals, and whether sufficient tracking and tracing is in place, and most importantly, testing. Now, in Belgium, while cases are decreasing, testing is really still hard to get, and we're still not seeing a good amount of hospital capacity. So the Commission is saying also that countries should work together. They should coordinate with their neighbors. Commission President von der Leyen gave the example of if one country suddenly opens its stores and in the neighboring country those stores are closed, people might cross the border to go shopping, which could risk a spread in the virus. So overall, the effort is for coordinating the EU states' approaches so you get a uniform EU approach.